Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the target pressure on the placard. Write down 32 psi or the number shown. Next, plug the compressor into the car socket or battery adapter and confirm the unit is rated for your tire valves. Attach the hose loosely, then tighten when positioned. Use short commands: turn the compressor on, watch for airflow. Once you hear steady operation, move to connect the chuck firmly. Make sure the unit displays pressure or has a working gauge before inflating. You add air in controlled bursts so the tire pressure rises predictably. Start with 30 to 60-second runs, then stop and read the gauge. Using a separate handheld gauge improves accuracy. If your compressor has an auto shutoff, set it close to the target. Otherwise, zero in slowly to within 1 to 2 psi. Once the tire reaches the correct pressure, detach the chuck quickly to limit bleed-off, then replace the valve cap. Repeat on other tires, alternating to keep handling balanced. You finish by replacing valve caps and storing the compressor properly, then recheck pressures after 5 to 10 minutes to confirm stability. If a tire loses pressure right away, listen for hissing and check the valve core and bead area, tighten the core or reseat the bead if possible. For small punctures under 1/4 inch, use a plug kit or approved sealant to hold until you reach a shop. If the compressor overheats or stalls, let it cool and check the power connection before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.